Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome. This is Katia Valino. Welcome to my weekend. Welcome to my weekend teaching of skincare and weight loss. So today I will be tackling and talking about the most important oils that you need to keep your skin supple in this time of the year. We are in the winter month. Also, people in Nigeria are in Harmattan period. Somebody has written me and wanted to know what is the best oil to use for Harmattan for winter to prevent excessive dry skin. And I have 5 beautiful oils that you can incorporate inside your daily moisturizer just to keep your skin luscious and lock in the moisture to prevent extra dry skin. The first oil in the list is as we all know, a lot of people know that they use castor oil to fight constipation. But today we are talking about using castor oil on your skin to prevent dry skin and to lock in moisture. Castor oil is very heavy. It's loaded with a whole lot of antioxidants and free radicals. They help to lock in the moisture in your skin. So if you are familiar with castor oil, you can tell that castor oil has some heavy density to help prevent the chappedness of the skin. So this is number 1 oil. Go and get it. Every brand is different. This is my castor oil here. I added some black seed. You guys know the benefits of black seed to help you, to help maintain luscious and rich skin. So I added a little bit of the powder inside here just to apply on my hands and my feet at night. So this is number 1. The next one is grapeseed oil. I don't know, can you see that? Grapeseed oil. I also like to add few drops of grapeseed oil into my daily moisturizer. Why I like this grapeseed oil is it helps to restore your body natural oil so that you don't lose excessive moisture in your skin. So it locks in the moisture, your natural body oil. So add few drops into your daily moisturizer to lock in the moisture in your skin. Add few drops of grapeseed oil in your daily moisturizer. It is going to help to lock in moisture in your skin. So grapeseed, you can never go wrong with grapeseed oil. It is also very high in antioxidants. Number 3, the next oil I don't have at home is argan oil. Argan oil is very, very high in fatty acids. Be mindful, argan oil is very pricey. It's very, very expensive because it's made with the seeds from the argan, and it's usually cold pressed. It has a whole lot of fatty acids. So what it does is that it's going to deposit more fatty acids into your skin so that your skin will be more supple and decrease the flakiness on your skin and also prevent wrinkle formation at the same time. Because the fatty acid is also loaded with a whole dense of vitamin E, which will help to lock in the moisture in your skin to prevent wrinkle formation. I love me some argan oil. I just ran out of argan oil at home. The next oil we're going to talk about here, I have them in jars. My family always like to come here to collect my avocado oil. So when I shop avocado, I buy them in big jars. Avocado is excellent, most especially before and after you go out to the sun. Not only does it make your skin subtle and lock up moisture in your skin, it helps to fight sun damage. So it is very crucial that you apply a little bit of avocado oil, especially around your eye area, before and after you go out to the sun. It has a whole lot of potassium in this avocado oil. You can never go wrong with avocado oil. Potassium and vitamin E, which helps to diminish wrinkle formation, fighting your skin from excessive dryness, excessive flakiness, and locks in moisture. Here, yes, I love it. I bathe in that. The next oil that everybody have, I believe everybody have, is olive oil. Olive oil. A whole lot of people now have olive oil in their house. They eat salad in their house. When you are shopping for olive oil, if you have excessive dry skin, make sure you are looking for the olive oil that is cold pressed. Cold press means that it is not excessively exposed to sunlight. So it also locks in the quality of the olive that is used to make the olive oil. And you know the most important way and the best way to use olive oil to lock in moisture to prevent dry skin and chappy skin, especially your feet, is to add few of this olive oil into your bath water. When I say bath water, you don't need to use soap. If you use soap to bathe yourself every day, after you have used soap, put a little bit of olive oil in water, sit on it, or use it to splash all over your body. It helps to lock in moisture for up to 12 hours in your skin. So you can use olive oil just like this as your daily moisturizer. Everybody, like I said, is the easiest moisturizer that everybody can afford and hold on to in their kitchen and all over the world. I believe that getting olive oil will not be that expensive because it's universal. So guys, now I have listed you guys 5 oils that you need to incorporate into your daily moisturizer to help maintain subtle, soft, less dry skin in the winter and Harmattan season. So guys, thank you guys for your time. Remember to subscribe and share. Here on weekends, we talk about health, wealth, weight loss, and skincare. So guys, thank you for your time. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao, ciao.